this island, because this a volcano, is they have a geothermal that they're developing already, so they can power the entire island with electricity using geothermal. When I have a chance later on, if I have a chance to get to that place, I want to show you the geothermal area that they developed over here. So this is a very, very beautiful island. A lot of greeneries, grass, coconuts. This island is, I didn't grow up in this island, but this is one of the islands where I have a lot of relatives. My aunts, my uncles. There's a marker over here that says kilometer. You can see that. That's one of the marker right there. It says 1,034 kilometers from the center of town. So we're gonna go up here. There's a mile marker. As you can see that's a mile marker right there.
Right.
See, that's a mile marker right there. 20 miles. Alright. So we're going up the hill. We're gonna try to reach my cousin that it's another town. Yeah, it's the other town. It's like like we're living in Derby or Shelton, or it's the connecting town. So we're going over here to the other connecting town. And this is kind of a lot of hills that we climb. See, this is a hill going up right here. So, and it's a winding road. All the roads are like windy, like a snake roads. And a lot of vehicles climb up these hills, up and down. Oh, this is very beautiful. I tell you right now, but getting here is very difficult because you have to hop from island to island. You have to take a boat. You take a plane. But I tell you, this is nature at its best. But it's developed now. It's a lot of development, industrial development. So, a lot of coconut trees. You can see. A lot of them. Even though we're up on like forest area.
What did you do?
What? We're up in the forest area. We're developed, very developed. Look, got nice roads, but we have to climb. This is uphill. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Climbing up the hills, down the hills, winding road. So we'll be doing a lot of that. Hopefully my charge on my cell phone won't die. So look at this nature, very beautiful. You want to see? Oh, here comes the Jeep. This is what we call the Jeep over here.
Jeep, paseroan.
So there's a lot of passengers, you can see. That's what a Jeep looks like. Yeah, here comes a motor. So we could have taken one of these vehicles, passenger Jeeps, one of these motorbikes. We could have taken one of these, going to my cousin, but I chose to walk. yeah, I chose to walk this morning. You know, it's good for me. So over here, there's no pollution. You can walk. Oh yeah, there's a lot of emission testing here too. So most of the vehicles they have are emission tested. So it's very developed now. See, a lot of development. I wish I had a lot of videos on my video cam, but my video cam got stolen. That a lot. I made a lot of video for that, but now I don't know. I don't know. They couldn't use it anyway. I had my charger. I get the charger for that, but the videos is what I lost a lot of videos. Anyway, that's okay. I got this cell phone, so okay. There's nice view. Yeah, right there in the distance. I don't know if you can see that distance right there. That's a volcano up there. Right there. See that one? Right over there.